unclogged sink here. You see, got clogged sink here, as you can see. And try to see if I can clog it here. As you can see here, garbage disposal. I'm trying to get it clean out, but so that's a problem here. Today I'm going to use a 3/8 inch auger. It's 3/8 inch and it's 50 feet long. I'm going to use this 5-gallon bucket here. I'm going to put the 3/8 inch 50 foot long auger in the 5-gallon bucket. The reason I'm putting it in there is so when you unwind it, it's actually going to stay in there, so it won't like unwind, go all over the place. Okay? And you want to make sure, so you want to make sure the auger is actually facing up, so that when you do start using it, it's up on top, so it's a lot easier for you to unwind. Just gonna put it in just like that. Okay? And these wire ties, I'm gonna cut it off here. So go ahead and cut these wire ties here. Make sure you hold it so it doesn't spring out and hit your face here. Okay. So this can kind of get messy, so I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put some towel here so when it drip it won't be so messy. And a little plate that we don't really use to eat. Catch some drip here. See what coming out, it's clogged. And this top one too. First I'm going to go down here, get it bend it a little bit. Okay. You gotta be gentle with it. Slowly stick it in there. And when you feel it stop, you gotta rotate it. If you push it too hard, you're gonna bend it. So, but this is a 3/8 inch one, so it's pretty strong. Yeah, so I've got through one. Just twist a little bit, and you can feel it go through until it hits the next 90 degree or turn. Keep pushing. I went with 3/8 inch one because it's stronger. It's not easily to bend or damage. Before I was using a 1/4 inch and it wasn't strong enough, and it actually got room when I was turning it, hit a 90 degree angle. Pull back a little bit, you feel a constraint. Pushing. Still going down. See how smooth it goes in? That's way, this way you want it. Pull it back a little bit so it can clean, pull it back and forth. Free again, you can tell I'm going pretty good. You can tell I hit a 90-degree pipe there here. So I'm going to twist and turn it. There you go. See how I turned it a little bit? Got through it. Now it's going down there again. Going down pretty smooth, pretty easy. I'm a little bit more than halfway through the 50-foot snake, Auger snake. I went 50 foot because I'll cover most of your most standard houses. 25 foot is kind of short. Last time I tried to use 25 foot, it didn't clean it out, so I went with 50 foot and actually went all the way through. Still going down pretty good. I'm going to show you how I'm using. See, I'm holding one hand. I'm holding the snake auger on that one hand, so it won't come sliding out of the 5-gallon tote. One my hand up. 50 foot. Right? Now they came with this. If you want to use it, you actually put this handlebar on and you just tighten it and twist it. But I didn't really need it. I kind of just used my hand to twist it. But you can use that if you want. But I didn't need it because I kind of just twist it slowly with my hand. So now I'm going to pull back and forth. Get some, clear out the PVC pipe here. Now the key to pulling it out is you also got to be gentle, but you also got to be careful putting it back in the 5-gallon tote. And it can get also very messy here. Do it slowly, you don't want to damage the snake here. So see how I'll pull it, slowly wrap it in a, just like that. I kind of wrap it in a circle. At the same time, I have some paper towel kind of here, just kind of clean it off a little bit. But later you gotta take it out and unwind it and kind of wipe it down and water it down, wash it, and put a little bit of oil in it so it won't rust. pull it out, you just wrap around your fry gun. Grab a new paper towel here. It's actually, the drain's pretty clean, but I don't know. Let's see where we pulled out. A big chunk. See, I'll pour out a little bit here. You want to make sure you close these valves up pretty good or they'll leak. I usually check a couple times, once or twice after I close it when I use the sink. Just make sure it's not leaking. You want any water damage on your cabinets, you know, on your bottom sink. It's all wood, you know. Okay. Looks like it's draining, no problem. It's leaking down here. Nope, it's drained pretty good. But yeah, that's all to it. Pretty easy. So it looks like what I got there was, that's what was clogging it. Probably at the 90 degree, the very last couple feet of the auger. I think that's where I got it cleared out. So next thing I do is now I take it outside and I just unwind it, the 50-foot, and I clean it up. I spray it with water, and after water I rub it. I take a little bit oil and then I just rub it. I take a towel, a paper towel, and I just put oil on it and I just rub it, and then wrap it back up and water tie it just like earlier when you saw it, and then put it back, store it. But you have to oil, it's gonna get rusted, okay? And you also have to unwind it and clean it, get all the stuff out, and then oil it, and then wrap it up. Okay, because the key to this is if you don't oil, it will get rusted.